How to make Windows Explorer preview scripts and other text files. When you click a file with the preview window open, Windows will show you a preview if Windows knows how to do it. But files like .json and .py will not preview. It would be sometimes useful in the open dialog of any editor to preview a script before opening it. Most open dialogs will inherit the Windows Explorer preview settings, but how do you make Windows associate .py files as text-like files for the preview pane?
The answer came from this link. This link is music to Nier mentioned, but the accepted answer in that link did not work for me. What worked for me was second answer in the thread. Member user 255627 points out the correct key is key_local_machine \software\classes\.py, which requires attribute perceive type reg_sc text. I created an attribute in this key with reg command. You can substitute .py with any extension type and enable a bunch of extensions this way. No need for an external program as mentioned in other thread. From Windows command prompt cmd.exe. If you don't have reg permissions to HKLM, local machine, you can use a current user. You can query like this. Thanks for the help, guys. Very useful.
Several years back I hunted for additional preview handlers and found some. From MSDN magazine, see list below. Some build with / or Delphi. I'm still searching for online references, they might be no longer available. Aside from this, there is a preview handler association editor you can download and use to add extension to a present handler, i.e. add.ini.inf extension to a text handler. I wrote a batch file to enumerate currently present handlers in the registry. It appends found handlers to the batch file itself and displays them afterwards. Sample output.
I just installed Windows PowerToys, which includes a File Explorer add-ons utility. This utility provides syntax-colored previews for developer files. Supposedly it knows over 150 file types.
PowerShell script. Microsoft.win32.registry column set value key_current_user /software/classes/.json perceived type text. Replace .json with required file extension .py, .php, or .whatever. Author Darren.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.